Okay, so this is a quick tutorial on how to make your own profiles for Inventor Frame Generator. So we're first going to start with a new part. We're going to import the DXF we want. So I already have a pre-made DXF of a 3060 aluminum extrusion, pretty standard. You can make your own sketch and then export the sketch as a DXF and import it into here. That'll work as well. There it is. And make sure it's in millimeters. Good. Finish. Okay. Now we have our cross section. Now we want to give it a length. So I'm going to finish the sketch. We want to give it a length so that I'm assuming it's so the software knows what cross section to put along the lines you're selecting when you're generating your frame. We're just going to put length here. Good. 1 inch is fine. Any length is okay. Now, so we're going to go into extrude. We're going to extrude this profile. The distance is going to be the parameter we just made. Length. Good. Go to manage. Sure this is there. Part okay. Good. Go into this drop down, structural shape. We're going to save this document. Have a little area right here. Just working on a little project. Just going to write over this one. Yes. Okay. We're going to pick the category it's going to show up in when we're in our frame generator. So we'll go into other. We don't really need to select anything here. It automatically identifies the DXF. As category parameters, we're going to set this to, this is the length we had set in our parameters. Once we're done, we could just press publish now to the content center. You have to keep in mind that you need a library that you're able to read and write to. There's other videos on YouTube on how to do that. But yeah, so basically you're just going to make your own library in the content center. This is local. And you'll be able to reference it on your device. Okay, put this to the other side. And that's it. Now we're just going to press a standard. Just press ANSI because that's the one I use. Then I'll put my name, 3060, December 25. Okay, done. This is where it's going to save to. We publish it. That's my local content center. And that's it. So now we want to check quickly if this works. Go standard IPT. Oh, actually, we'll do it in assembly. We'll do a new assembly. We're going to create the test part, place it. Just going to make a simple rectangle. That. And we'll add a bit of flavor to it here. Okay, just a random frame, just a wireframe. Now we can return, get out of our part, creation, go back into the assembly mode, insert frame. Yes, we have to save it. Just do test. Okay, yes. Now we're going to go find it. So other, that's the category we selected, ANSI. Now we're going to look for, this is the one we just created. Select that. There's our 3060. Now we can select our lines. You can select them individually, or you could just batch select them. I did here. Apply. Okay. And there it is. That's just a rough frame using the DXF we created, or that we found, to create our own cross sections in the content center. So it's very important that when you go to publish, that you have a library you can publish to. You need to not only have read access, but you need to have read and write access to that library. So that's an important step.